Hello, hello, hello. This is Latanya, Miss Coach Deloach. I'm back again. I'm excited about my 30 for 30 financial challenge, right? Where I'm helping 30 families over the next 30 days achieve financial freedom, right? So I hope you are excited. Here's what I'm doing. I'm in the solution segment, right? We talked about problems, we talked about challenges, we talked about obstacles in my previous videos and things that prevent you from achieving your goals. But my past two videos, we're talking about solutions, and I'm going to stay on solutions. We talked about positive cash flow versus a negative cash flow and the difference between the two. We talked about the difference between cash flow and income and why cash flow is king. We talked about 1099 income and how this country is ran on tax code and why you need a 1099 of some type in your portfolio somewhere so you can pay who first? Yourself. You did the work, so you deserve to pay. So on this night video, I want to talk to you about investment income. See, what people don't realize, this country is set up that money that makes money pays less taxes than labor that makes money. In other words, you want a large part of your portfolio to come from capital gains. Anytime money makes money, it's called appreciation. That means the taxes that are paid are considerably lower than when labor is taxed because labor made the money, which is much higher. Now that's a tongue twister, so what do I mean? In other words, 67% of the wealthy people in this country comes from other money. I want you to write this down. Wealth and work are not synonymous. I know there are plenty of people that are wealthy that do not work, and there are plenty of people that work or are not wealthy. We've been taught that the only way to amass money is by working for it. You've been taught that ever since you came out of high school and in college, and you've been taught work, 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 work. But here's the problem. Where's the wealth? The wealth is in investments. Investments are risky. Investments should not be something you're afraid of. Why? Because you're investing now. Every time you put your money in a checking account or a savings account, you're investing. The problem is you're not getting a high rate of return on those investments. But guess who is? The banks. In other words, you're investing now, but you're just investing the wrong way. You're investing on the retail side, but you're not investing on the wholesale side. So we don't talk or we don't teach you or tell you what to invest in, but we teach you terminology and perspective. So in this 30 for 30 challenge, you can write that down. Now when you get with a person who are licensed and we're just merely educators, you'll know the perspective of an investor, you'll know the proper terms, you'll know what to invest in, and you'll know what a good investment looks like. So listen, do me a big favor. Text my favorite word, capital, right? It's short for capital gains. Text it to 601-720-2063. Again, text the word capital, right? Which is short for capital gains to 601-720-2063. Remember, money talks and wealth whispers, right? And I will respond and reply to you personally. See you in the final video number 10.